Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram presence and remove old comments you've left on posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to delete your comments by date on Instagram using the PC app, following the newest update. This method is quick, efficient, and gives you full control over your digital footprint. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen and click on the menu icon. This will expand a list of options to help you manage your account. Next, find and click on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram organizes all your recent actions, making it much easier to keep track of your interactions. Inside Your Activity, scroll down to the Interactions section and select Comments. Here, you'll see a list of every comment you've made across Instagram, whether on your own posts or others. To find comments from a specific time, look for the Sort and Filter option at the top of the comments list. Click on it, choose your desired date or date range, and then hit Apply. Now, only the comments from that period will be displayed, making it super easy to find what you want to delete. After filtering, click on Select. You can now go through the list and choose all the comments you want to remove. If you want to delete several comments at once, simply keep clicking to add them to your selection. Once you've picked the comments you want gone, click on Delete. Instagram will ask you to confirm this action. Confirm your choice, and just like that, those comments will be permanently deleted from both your profile and the posts where they appeared. And that's it. With these steps, managing and deleting your old Instagram comments on PC is easier than ever. Take a few moments to tidy up your digital history and keep your profile looking exactly the way you want. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more tips for mastering Instagram.